matutuloy yung kasal namin sa Pilipinas. Ang kailangan lang mag-sacrifice is si Margie.
Yes.
Margie needs to sacrifice because finally, Friday na talaga at lalabas kami ngayon ni Belgian dahil feeling ko kailangan ko ng something new sa mata ko. No, ano tawag doon? Kailangan ko ma-refresh ang utak ko dahil Lunes hanggang ngayon Biyernes dito lang ako sa kwarto ko. Though, nung Martes may na-meet ako na isang Pinay. Bongga mga sis, kasi nung na-meet ko siya, hindi niya sinabi sa akin eh. Siyempre, hindi naman kami ganun ka-close. Tapos, napag-usapan namin ang about sa trabaho, ganyan. Ano pala siya? Doktor dito sa Brussels. Shoutout sa'yo sis, kung nanonood ka man ngayon. Tapos, nagpapamusic ang amo ko na lalaki. So, makaka-copyright ako nito. Alam ko sa sarili ko talaga na need ko nang lumabas. Need ko na hindi mo na makita ang mga employer. So, hahabulin namin ngayon ang bus. Hala, pero hala, so pretty. Ang sky. Oh, wow. Si Uncle. Hala ka, nice, oy.
Yeah, it's nice.
No? How I wish we stay there, oh. On top of the building. Hala ka, nindot. Hala, so nice, no?
Yeah, it's a nice sunset.
So pinkish. So ito na, magdi-date na kami. We deserve this. I deserve this.
Yes, you do.
Hala, oh. Wow. Wow. You're yawning again. Nandito na kami sa sentro ng Brussels. This is our first time here. Every time I make vlog, I always say it's my first time. Hello, it's so nice here. Welcome to Brussels. You have to say thank you.
Thank you, Mahal.
Wow, this is their Grand Palace. No. How do you call it?
Plus.
Grand Place. Tingnan nyo naman ang Brussels. Oh, maganda ang Brussels. Uy! So, I thought nakakain kami doon kanina sa kung saan may mga noodles. What can you say about the chicken?
It was yummy.
It was yummy and it was not that expensive, right?
Yeah.
Must try if you're in Brussels.
Yeah. I also like the sweet potato fries.
Ah, okay. What did you say about me being a tourist? Not so tourist in my...
In your own city?
Laoy, it's giggling lagi to hear you when you said it's my city. When I'm not a Belgian myself. Dessert stop. Dito lang kami sa labas habang nakatingin sa mga Belgian chocolate sa loob. Churros.
Look at the marketing.
Hi friends! Paalis na kami ng bahay ng amo ko. Sa kwarto ko. Pupunta kaming sentro. Anong oras na ngayon? Mag-aalas 3 na. Tapos before 8 PM dapat makabalik ako dahil magbe-babysit ako ng baby shark at ng isa pa nilang anak. So, may energy na ako ngayon. I have energy.
Yes.
May acid reflux pala ako.
Still?
No, earlier.
Yeah.
Buti naman may gamot kami para doon. At tomorrow, May 31st, mag-a-adjust ang time. You have to explain.
This daylight savings times here, which means that twice a year the time changes, and now tomorrow the time will switch or move forward 1 hour, so it will turn it's about to turn 2 a.m. and then when it's about to turn 2 a.m. suddenly it's 3 a.m.
Naintindihan niyo ba yun? If you did not understand it, that's your assignment.
Yeah, daylight savings time.
Shout out to my new shoes! Try na. Wala ka.
Okay, that's nice.
Bizu. Lagi. In the kitchen, everything is already switched off.
Yes.
Okay. Uy, ang ganda ng shoes ko. Bizu. Pinaghirapan ko to. Deserve ko to. Tingnan nyo. Gana. Nice. Dapat nice siya kasi mahal siya. Kasi kung hindi siya nice, ibabalik natin. Charis! Ay, hindi maganda ang weather today. Umuulan. Ayan. First time ko palang babantayan ng gabi. First time ko i-babysit ang alaga ko na baby. Na yung ilang oras talaga. So, malalaman later kung kumusta kasi. Lagi siyang gutom. Lagi siyang umiiyak kapag gabi. Naririnig ko. Kapag nandiyan ang mga parents, ganyan. Ay, funny pala na story. Kasi, cute and funny na story. Kasi kahapon, Friday, na-enjoy talaga ng alaga ko na lalaki ang laro-laro namin na balon. Tapos, ginagamit namin ang rackets niya for tennis. Tapos, na-enjoy niya. As in, ngayong umaga, matagal kaming, late na kaming gumising ni Belgian. Tingala ko, alas 7 na, may naganak sa door. Hanggang sa hindi ko ina-open. Hala, ginak niya talaga. Sabi niya, Margie, let's play. Sabi niya. Tapos, sabi ko, wala pa, nakapajama pa ako. Wala pang hinamas and everything. Sabi ko, binuksan ko. Sabi ko, hoy, matutulog pa ako. Sabi niya na, tingnan mo. Di ba may dyan? May window. Sabi niya, ano na, tagising na ngayon. Hindi na tag-play. Ay, hindi na tagtulog. Let's play na. Tapos dumating ang papa niya. Sabi ng papa niya, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Sabi ko, gusto niyo makipaglaro. Sabi ng papa, sorry ha. Sorry daw kasi nabala ako. So ayun, lalabas na muna kami. Hangak lagi ko. Ay, magja-jacket. Minsan nakakalimutan ko na malamig pa pa. Diyan na sa labas ng bahay si Water kasi kinuha niya ang sasakyan niya. Ayun lang. See you later. Good morning, friends! Today ay Sunday. Natapos kami mag-babysit ng mga hapit alas 12 na siguro. Tapos bumiyahe kami papunta dito sa bahay ni Mahal. Nakarating kami ng 1:30 a.m. Tapos napaka-thankful nung employer ko na babae. Salamat kasi binago niyo talaga ang inyong schedule. Kasi dapat ang appointment namin not today, dapat yesterday yon. Pero dahil gusto ko rin sila na mag-enjoy sa kasal ng kanyang kapatid kasi may small celebration kasi civil wedding muna bago ang big celebration sa July or June. May another celebration na naman sa July or June. Nakalimutan ko. And today, pupunta kami sa bahay ng papa ni Mahal at pag-uusapan namin ang aming Philippines plan kasi sasama sila sa amin, ang papa niya at ang kanyang stepmom. So, i-organize namin kung paano namin yun gagawin. Sana naman ay magustuhan nila ang mahal kong Pilipinas kahit na mainit doon. Ayun, I can't wait. Kasi sabi ng papa ni Mahal na good chance na daw ito para ma-meet yung buong pamilya ko, ganyan ang mama ko. Ang problema lang talaga ay ang English ng mama ko. So, ang mama ko ay nanonood ng mga vlogs ko dito sa YouTube. Sana naman, Mang, ay marunong ka lang mag-how are you? I am fine, thank you. Kapag pumunta dyan ang parents ni Mahal. Sabi ko kasi okay lang na hindi kayo makakapunta sa Pilipinas kasi malayo. Mga around 20 plus hours ang biyahe. Yung amin nga, 27 ata. Papuntang Pilipinas. Not everyone here is fan of traveling, long traveling. Tama ba? Tapos sabi niya talaga ng papa niya, no, gusto ko silang ma-meet. Wala, sana all. So, ayun. See you later. Nakita ko sa vlog ni Inday Garnet.
It wasn't filming when you first started. When you first started speaking.
No?
No.
Nag-crave ako ng bulalo. And Mahal cooked bulalo for me. But it's his own version. Let's see and let's eat. Anniversary pala namin ngayon ni Mahal. But we already celebrated our anniversary in Morocco.
Yes.
Kaya ang celebration namin ngayon ay kanin with bulalo. Bulalo version by Mahal. Let's try. Thank you, Mahal ko.
You like Marco.
Let's eat smakalek. Kung nakikita niyo bago lang ako natapos maligo. Ay, ilalagay ko pala dito ang caption ni Mahal for our anniversary. Ang funny. Ang funny at ang sweet. Hello, I can't wait to try this. Thank you Lord for this food. Thank you, Mahal. Next time we will look for
Corn.
corn. Walang corn ang ano ni Mahal. Bulalo.
And also, I'm not sure if the beef that I got, if it actually has marrow in it or not, or
It's
if
okay.
it was just the bones.
Yeah.
Because there was also a thing which specifically said it was marrow, but there was almost no meat on the thing.
Marrow. Hello. Thank you, Mahal ko. You're the best fiancé ever.
Oh, come on, cool.
Tikman natin ang bulalo ni Mahal. Hindi na matutuloy ang aming kasal sa Pilipinas this year. Do you understand what I said?
Yes.
Babahagi namin ang kwento later kasi kakain mo lang kami. Hintay lang tayo ng pagkain. Can I try na?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, Mahal ko. Ay. It needs
Salt.
salt. It's okay.
I added fish sauce, but not salt. Oyster sauce, I mean, but not yet salt. I don't know how much salt you wanted or needed. And it's always better to add salt afterwards.
Yeah. Because your definition is saltiness. It's different from mine. Better. Thank you, Mahal.
Cool.
Smaklek. Yummy. Thank you. The best ka talaga. The best anniversary ever.
Because of bulalo.
Because of bulalo. Next time we can go to an Asian store. Maybe they will have bone marrow.
You also have specific bone marrow there. I didn't know if this one also had marrow or not. I don't think so. So next time I will buy the specific marrow.
Yummy. Yummy. Every time na kumakain ako ng Filipino dish, it's helping me with my homesickness. Nasa labas kami ngayon ng bahay ni Mahal. Naglalakad-lakad at ini-enjoy ang sun. At ina-explore ang village na kung saan siya nakatira. Tapos nakita namin tong interesting na bahay. Look at that interesting house. Very unique. Na-enjoy namin ang sun kasi daylight saving na. Right, Mahal?
Yes.
The sundown or sunset is what time? Hello, oh, look at their house. So unique.
8 something.
At nagpa-plan na rin kami ng bakasyon namin for September.
8:17.
Okay. Alam, may mga kabayo. There are horses. Nakikita niyo bang kabayo? Ayan. Manol-manol ba tayo eh? Where?
Over there on the right, you see the people there?
Ah, yes.
They were also in the beginning of the street where we were.
Okay.
They took a turn on it, I guess.
So sinasabi ko kanina hindi matutuloy yung kasal namin sa Pilipinas this year. Ang dumi naman, may mga makeup pa. Dahil nagsuggest ang papa ni Mahal na we have to wait another more year para makasama daw sila at ang mga kapatid ni Mahal papuntang Pilipinas, at they will go for our wedding, and at the same time they will explore the Philippines and maybe the other countries in Asia or neighboring countries of the Philippines. O kaya we are also considering na yeah, that's a good idea. At ang brother-in-law ko rin gusto niya rin mag-join sa kasal namin, and that's idea is also suitable sa kanya kasi seaman siya sa Papua New Guinea. Now there's a cat! Cuckoo! Ayun. What do you think about it? What do you think about the idea?
I think it's a nice idea.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ang kailangan lang mag-sacrifice is si Margie. Margie needs to sacrifice because I am really looking forward to see my family this December. Yeah, during Pasko and New Year kasi magpo 4 years na rin na I am celebrating New Year and Christmas in Europe, and I want to experience New Year and Christmas in the Philippines kasi iba ang Christmas doon. So ayun.